Hello guys, my name is Abigail Marshall, and today I want to share with you guys how you can purchase your area rugs for less money. Um, so just to jump right into it, the first thing you are going to do is go to walmart.com. So you just type in www.walmart.com, and from there you will go to the search bar and type in the brand name New Loom. And I will spell it for you, and that is Nulloom. New Loom. And that is I guess maybe the factory production or the brand name of the actual carpets themselves. And then they produce all of these inexpensive carpets. So once you type that in, you can go through and look for the carpets of your choice and then click on it. You want to make sure that you click on whichever one that you are interested in, and then look at the sizing that you need, and check out the pricing. And I highly believe that you will find the right size that you need for a decent price. I can guarantee you, like, if you're typically a higher end spender and you want something not so expensive, I can guarantee you will find it. If you're someone that does not have a lot of money, you can save for this. If you're old enough to drive, you can probably do DoorDash, pocket some change away. But I'm here to testify that the current rug that I have, I believe it's like a 7x9 or something around there, almost 8x9. I purchased it for $88. Like, trust me. And I just couldn't wait to share this with you guys. So here I am showing it to you, and I'm going to try to insert a clip for you guys to actually look at the website, so you can see what I'm doing. It's not a scam or anything like that. I am not being paid to share this with you guys. It's just one of the first things I wanted to bring to you. Yeah, those are the steps that you will take to actually get to the website and order your area rugs. And from there, I want to share with you guys that I just want you to always be sure that you always look at your reviews. When you purchase anything, you always want to look at the reviews to see what the other people are saying about the products, because maybe it might not be the best product or the greatest quality for the price that you're paying. So that's something you want to look into. And also, please read the colors, because when I purchased the current rug that I have now, the one for $88, and believe me, I love it. It's amazing. I have not had any issues with it. It's a very low power area rug. But in the description, it said that this was a gray area rug. And this thing is not gray. It's cream and it's black. But it came from me looking at the reviews, because initially I was not going to order it. Like, what if it comes back in gray? Or, what if I order it and get stuck and then I can't send it back? I don't have the money to send it back. But because I went to the reviews, I saw that all of the pictures, I've never seen it gray in one picture. So I was like, okay, I'm going to take that chance. Everyone says that it's actually black and white. I'm going to take that chance and go ahead and order it. And when it came, I love it. In no way is it gray. So just to confirm you, if you guys are interested in the current area rug that I have now, it is not gray. It is cream and white. I mean, excuse me, cream and black. Black stripes, cream, everything else. But yeah, I'll show you guys the current area rug that I have now. I'm just so excited to share this with you guys, because I currently live in a rental, and my husband and I, we don't have everything. I can tell you that now. We don't have everything. I don't have the money to just go blow it anywhere. I've got bills, and I do not pull home decorating money from my bill money. And I highly recommend you do not do that. I can understand that sometimes decorating your apartment or your home can become overwhelming, but do not put yourself in a sticky situation where your lights are cut off but your living room looks good. Don't do that. Please don't do that. I do DoorDash on the side, and while my husband was away with the military, I just took that personal time that usually we would spend together. I would just, after work, let me go make a few dollars. I don't want to overexert myself and try to kill myself trying to get this money, even though sometimes, some days, me doing DoorDash, being on the road all day is just like, make it stop. But yeah, I would just get $20 here, $30, $50. Make sure you tithe. Do your tithes, pay your tithes on your 10% or whatever money you make. But then put the rest of that money aside and save for that rug. Cause I mean, $20 times 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So maybe go out 5 times if that's what it takes. If you can only make $20 a day. Or say you get an allowance, just tuck that money away to the side, write it down so that you know I'm focused on getting this rug or whatever it is for your home. And I just encourage you, if that's what you want, if that will make your home comfortable, definitely add it. But make sure it's in, but make sure you're living within your means and not putting yourself at risk of getting put out or in danger or anything like that for the sake of trying to get a piece of material that will perish upon the presence of a fire. You know, it's not worth all of that. So that's just my tip to you guys. It has made me so successful in in this little apartment, not having a whole lot of money, but I was able to get what I wanted for a decent price. And I just pray that you guys can do the same thing. I wish you lots of success with decorating your space. And with that said, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you guys, your comments on yourself finding a rug within your price range. Please share it with me. I would love to get your feedback. And on that note, you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.